Hi, I'm Lachlan Sayer and I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Monash Motorsport. Formero provides Monash Motorsport with 3D printing and additive manufacturing services, and specifically bespoke and lightweight components for our aerodynamic and cooling system. By partnering with Formero, we're able to push our design complexity to the limit and not rely on traditional manufacturing techniques.
Hi, I'm Jack Martinich. I am an applications coordinator here at Formero. We find that the Monash Motorsport team is particularly driven in terms of a quality and working within their constraints to deliver that high performance stuff, and Formero is pretty closely aligned with those goals.
One part we have on the car is our SLS printed cooling jacket. These have a complicated internal line where water flows and makes sure that our motors stay cool and in an ideal operating window. Another part we have are our Onyx 3D printed aerodynamic end caps. So these have a tight tolerance to match our aerodynamic surfaces in simulations, whilst also being lightweight due to the cutting out of material we have on the inside here, which leaves a complicated part left over.
I'm Georgia Sanders. I am the Sales and Project Coordinator here at Formero. So we've got a very wide range of high-end engineering processes and materials. Monash Motorsport use mainly SLS process and FDM, using the nylon 12 materials and also flame retardant materials. We have many materials, and sometimes it can be hard to choose which ones are going to be right for the application, but we'll take on all information that we can get from our customers and work as a team to decide what's going to be the best option for the project and to ensure the best quality is provided.
So our car is made from start to finish in roughly 3 months. This means that we rely on a strict timeline with our suppliers. We've always been able to rely on Formero in order to get their parts on our car before competition. Thank you, Formero, for your ongoing support, which is vital in our team's success.